Students, welcome to third standard general knowledge questions. Navneet book set number 3, some useful places and person. So students, in this set you want to find out correct answer from these words. These are the answers. You want to find out correct answer, correct fill in the blanks for this question and answers. So students, firstly see this picture. This is a picture of laundry. Laundry means clothes. Second picture is for department store. Third picture is chemistry, chemist. And next picture is post office stamp. Then next is grocery. Then next is saloon. Then next is optician. So student, these are some pictures for this set. So student, now we will discuss and solve the question and answer. Complete the following sentence. Select your answer from the given word given at the end. So students, you want to find out answers from these words. So students, let's see first question. First one. Bread and biscuit are prepared in. Answer is bakery. Your answer is correct. Bakery. Second question. Dash dash sell foodstuff and various other household things. Answer is grocer. Next question. Dash dash sell pencil and notebook. Answer is stationery. Next question. We get cups, plates, and other chinware from dash dash shop. Answer is crockery. Next question. Dash dash sell medicines. Answer is chemist. Next question. We get and dash dash to buy spectacle. Spectacle means goggle. We get goggle from optician. Yes, your answer is correct. Now next question. We get stamp and island inland letter from dash dash. Answer is post office. We go to dash dash for cutting our hair. Answer is saloon. We go to dash dash for getting our clothes washed and iron. Answer is laundry. In a dash dash we get different thing in our shoes at the single place. Answer is department store. Now student, let's see second part. Here also some question are given. You will see fill in the blanks. Some question are here and answer is in this box, that is words given in this box. So you want to find out what is the correct answer for that. And some picture are given here like a bank, circus, swimming pool, studio, nursery, theater, gyms, veterinary, museum, hospital, nursing home, and zoo and aquarium. These all pictures are given here. So you can well understood what is the answer. So students, now we will see the set number second. Question number second. So question number second is fill in the blanks for set number 3. Select your answer for the word given at the end. The 3-year-old children, a series of person is admitted to. Answer is hospital. The 3rd-year-old children studied in. Answer is nursery. A department money, check and cash we get to. Answer is bank. For watching wild animal and birds we visit to zoo. Next question. For seeing movies we go to. Answer is theater. For watching acrobats and the entertaining activity of animal we go to. Answer is circus. In case of mirror alignment we go to dash dash nursing home. For physical exercise we go to gymnasium. For swimming we go to swimming pool. For observing different type of fishes in we go to aquarium. For observing things in historical importance we go to museum. For having our photograph take we go to studio. For the treatment of sick or domestic animal we go to veterinary. Set number 4. In this set, some vehicles are given. You want to find out which is a picture of which type of vehicle. So students, firstly, we will see firstly the answers. What is the answer? So firstly we will read it. You will observe. Road roller, trailer, fire engine, crane, police van, tractor, oil tank, towing van, mobile post office, tank, mobile health center, and ambulance. Okay, now we will write correct answer for correct picture. So students, we will see correct answers. So first picture is for trailer, second picture for fire engine, next picture is for oil tank, then next is mobile health center, next is police van, towing van, next is mobile post office, crane, ambulance, tank in army, next is tractor, road roller. So students, you will well understood what is the answer for set number 4. So today's your homework is solve set number 3 and set number 4 in GK question set. Thank you.